Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to the Pepe update today. And Pepe does look quite good, and we've talked about the movement of Pepe so far in yesterday's video. So what I'm going to do is go back into the 1 hour time frame, and here you go. As I told you, the wicks, okay, these are places where Pepe loves to visit. I'm going to show you one video 2 days ago. So on the 1 hour time frame, you may see a move up. So basically this is a resistance there, a break above resistance. So come down for the retest, a small opportunity for you to, it's just a small scalp, I think. So if you don't come for the retest. All right, so we started off with that small, pattern here. This was the pattern that broke on above here. You went to the upside, and I told you in one of the videos that wicks are always invited, okay? So wicks like this may be invited. But the thing is that in yesterday's video, I told you one more thing, that you do have this as first bottom, second bottom. You went up like this, and you have broken above, and you have retested. But this retest, you have to be careful. This first retest is a little bit shady, okay? You may have your stop losses here, and Pepe may go down, take that stop loss, and then finally pump to the upside. I think in the next move down, if you have one, that would be a good idea to try to enter here, because this first retest, normally they get taken out. The second retest, or maybe the third retest, are the sweet spot to try to trade. Now the best stop loss is going to be down here and not here, actually. So we're talking about if Pepe does move to the downside and you enter somewhere here, you're talking about 3.32% risk, and then you have that almost nearly 10% move to the upside. Now that is good. 3% for 10%. I think it's always a good idea to have such trades. They're not very difficult, and the losses are not very bad. Now, one more thing is on the 15 minutes, which is even the lowest time frame right now, is that there's this one trend line that has been broken above. So if you take the trend from there to there, you can pretty much say that you're hitting your head, you went down, you hit your head, you went down, you break above, you may come down for this retest, back test this line, take that stop loss, come like this, and then finally push to the upside once again. So a lot of people were turning bearish for Pepe at the moment, and it may actually backfire. So let's see what happens, and I do believe we're looking good. Now there's one more thing that, oh, you may even say that, you know what, there's another trend line here, but let's see if this trend line makes any sense. It doesn't, but there is a reason I may say that this is another trend line that was broken above, and it hasn't really been retested. So you have to look at this as well, okay? Like you got that one touch here, move down, a touch here, a move down, one touch there, move down, and now you have this. But if you take it out and you go below this trend line here, I'm going to zoom in. So basically, if the prices are going to come down and move below the trend line here, they may visit down here, because this is a line that was not retested either. So if you're new, do make sure you're following, because you may never see this channel again, and turn on those bell notification to get notification updates. And the private entry is still open for the next 9 days, so be a part of it. And that's it. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.